Every AI image generator looks impressive, until you try to create the same character twice. One image looks perfect, then you generate another, and suddenly the face changes completely. Different eyes, different hairstyle, different identity. And that's a huge problem. Because if the character changes every time, you can't build a brand, you can't tell a story, and creating a realistic AI influencer becomes almost impossible. But today, I found a free AI tool that changes everything. This platform can generate the same character across multiple images, different environments, and even AI videos, while keeping the exact same face and identity. And the craziest part? Everything you're about to see was made in less than 5 minutes. No complicated setup, no expensive tools, just pure AI magic. This is Mage, and honestly, this might be one of the most powerful free AI tools right now. So if you love AI tools, cinematic visuals, and creating insane content with artificial intelligence, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Desire. Let's get started. This is the homepage of Mage.Space AI. Here, you can browse images created by other users. Today, we're going to explore it together. After signing up on the site, you'll find a box at the bottom for generating both images and videos. One of the most important features of this site is the availability of hundreds of different models for image and video creation. Upon joining, you are given 300 credits. For instance, using the Mango 2 model in fast mode requires 0 credits per image, while other models might cost around 37 credits. As you can see, other models consume credits based on their specific features. I'll open the models list here. There are countless options available, and you can use any of them. Today, I want to use the free version, which is Mango 2. You can see right here next to Mango 2 that it shows 0 credits, meaning it's completely free. To start, I'll type this prompt, portrait of a woman in studio photography. There are various settings here that you can experiment with based on your needs. For now, I just want to select my image size. A 2:3 aspect ratio is perfect for portraits, so I'll select that. I'll click Generate, and we'll wait for our image to be created. This process usually takes less than 2 minutes. Let's wait and see the result. Our image is ready. Let's take a look. It created a beautiful portrait for us. At the bottom, there are plenty of tools to modify the image according to your preferences. You can also download the image from this section and save it to your system. I'm going to download this image because I want to use it later. On the left side, there are many features available for you to use. I plan to create step-by-step tutorials for each of these later on. But now, let's move to the most important part of our tutorial, reference. I'll click on it to enter this page. Once here, click on Create New. A box will open where you can upload your own photos or use images you've already created on this platform. I'll upload the image I just generated. After it's uploaded, we'll give it a name. I'll name her Mia. You can also write a description for your character. In the Tags section, choose a category for your image. I'll select Realistic. You can also choose whether your created images stay private or be shared publicly. For now, I'll keep it private. Finally, I'll click Create Now. Our character is now created. Now, all we need to do is type the @ symbol, and our models will be displayed. You can simply click on yours. For example, I'll type this phrase for her to see how it changes, in luxury party dress. Now, you can select your model from this section. I'll stick with Mango 2. You can click on Fast Mode to turn it on for quicker results, but it's not necessary. Even in slow mode, it generates the image in under 2 minutes. In the Character section, you can select your character, which I've already done. There are many advanced settings here that I'll skip for now because it can get quite complex, and we want to keep this tutorial step by step. For the size, I'll again choose the 2:3 ratio, which is beautiful and suitable for portraits. In this section, you can also enhance your prompt to get a more professional version, but I'll skip that as well. Finally, we hit Generate and wait for the image to be created, without needing any other models. The image is ready. Let's see. Excellent and beautiful. It designed her outfit perfectly for a party. I'll switch between the images so you can see for yourself the face has been recreated perfectly without any changes. This is the best feature of this tool. Now, I want to write another prompt for her, is sitting in the desired cafe and eating ice cream. I'll choose the 16:9 ratio, which is wide and suitable for desktops, and then hit Generate. A box pops up suggesting that using Mango 2 in fast mode would be quicker, but there's no need. It generates very fast even at normal speed. Our image is ready. Let's take a look. It's fantastic. It kept the face and clothing of our character exactly as they were. Even the text I requested for the wall, Desire Cafe, is written in the background, and our character's face remains consistent. Let's go back. This time, I want to give it another request. I think this one will be very popular because many platforms don't allow this. I'll give it this prompt, is sitting on the beach in a bikini and sunbathing. I'll hit Generate and wait for the result. The great thing about this site is that there are no restrictions on image creation. You can request any style or any prompt without being blocked. I've created an uncensored image here where my main character is sitting on the beach sunbathing. The image is completely uncensored, and my character's face has been perfectly preserved. These days, I consistently post 1 or 2 prompts every day in my YouTube community tab for you to use. This is my channel, where you can find many professional, step-by-step AI tutorials. Once you enter my channel, click on the Posts section. I post professional prompts here daily. My only request is that you like my posts and leave a comment to give me energy. I'll select this image here. All you need to do is copy the prompt from this section and take it to Mage.space. Paste it into the prompt box. You can change any part you like. I'll change the image size again, choosing 2:3, hit Generate, and wait. I've recently started this YouTube community section, and you can use any prompt I post there. Please, make sure to support me in the community section so I can keep sharing these images for you to benefit from. Our image is ready. Let's see. Excellent. The character is still preserved, and there is no change in her face. Compare it with the image I posted. The clothes are slightly different, but overall, it created a perfect studio-style image. You can download and save this one as well. Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed this practical tutorial and that you can now create your own consistent characters without any restrictions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and to support me and see more professional tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the desired channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. I look forward to seeing your thoughts and requests in the comments section. Until next time, take care.